After we bought the CARV node, what we need to do is run the node. So AlphaNet is here. So June 28, the node operation software is open for download, Windows and Mac. They have this document if you want to join via desktop. This is how you run via the desktop, or a command tool if you want to run it using a VPS, Docker. So that's one. And on July 1st, 2 days ago, we can run it and start contributing. In here, what we will use is the Euro currency. What we need to do here is buy product that has 2 cores, 4 GB RAM, and 8-bit download internet service. So you can choose to buy it here, 4 gig, 2 cores, so it's 4.50 per month in euro. But I'll be buying this cloud VPS server because I'm gonna be running another node on top of it, because I'll be running a Farcaster 1. So I'll be Farcaster and this CARV node. So I'll have 8 vCPU cores, 24 GB RAM, 300 NVMe or 1.2 terabyte, 2 snapshot, and 32 terabyte traffic. So I'll select this, selecting this one, and I'll be linking the link below if you want to use this Contabo, because I think this is the cheapest VPS services and the most widely used in Web3. So region is European Union. Storage type is 1 terabyte SSD, which is free, or you can use this, but I'll be using this terabyte. Then Ubuntu 22.04. Login and password for your server. In order to use SSH keys, you can add them in the customer control panel later. So we will use password here later. Object storage, none. Networking, bandwidth, IP address, add-ons. This will be our monthly, and this is the one-time fee. So let's click next. So after a few minutes, I have an email from Contabo. I mean, maybe 5 to 10 minutes with the necessary steps, my server type, location, the password, and username. So we will start using it. The next step we'll do is to connect to our server. So I have my Ubuntu here. I have a Linux server. So if you don't have, you can use the PuTTY from a Windows. I have the PuTTY, but I'll be using the Ubuntu. What we need to do is type SSH space username and the IP address that we got from the Contabo, or where you bought your VPS, and enter the password. If it's your first time, you're gonna type yes here, but it's not my first time, so I can't type yes. And ensure that you don't have a blank characters at the end of this one. You type your password. Also, it won't display any character or symbol. You can see that one when typing the password. So we have connected to our server. You will see this one, Contabo, and we're good to go. Next thing that we'll do is upgrade. When done, this one. After that, install Go. And clone the CARV repository. Change into the bin folder. Create a session. Create a screen session called CARV. Preview after command. Okay. Generate a keystone directory. If this is okay, we will get a response like this. Okay, go to the Alpha Explorer. This one, so we need to go to this Alpha Explorer. We will connect our wallet. Connect and delegate your node the generated wallet address. So in the website, you need to paste your delegated address, the one that you have generated using the VPS, the key store. So you need to delegate it. You need to delegate it from your main wallet. So that's what I'm doing here. This is the step on how to delegate the license. So after we delegate, we need to start the verifier node using these following commands. So if it works, you will see an image like this after starting the verifier node. So to minimize the screen, let's do the Control A then D. Control A then D. Okay, it's here. To re-enter the screen session, click here. You can check the license to where you delegated here. And in here, I'll be sending you the link of this in order for you to check if your code is working. So copy the delegated address. It's here. Commission 0, status active, uptime 0. So we'll wait for the refresh tomorrow to see if the uptime is 100. But it says here it's active, so we are good to go.